This matter be fixed after 3 weeks, madam. Within after 3 weeks. 10:30. Yes, madam. 6 o'clock. After 3 weeks. Madam, then further, madam, item 4, here we are yet to file our affidavit. So some more time, maybe 3 weeks time.
Let's wait for 3 weeks then.
Okay.
Yeah, Your Lordship. Let's back with the mention item number 11, Your Lordship. Here also AG is appearing in this matter. He instructed me to matter to be fixed on 17th. 17th of I think the mention item 14 minutes on behalf of AK Pocasco or respondent. Due to some personal difficulties, your city could not appear today. So, yes. After. May your lordship, item number 2, I'm making a mention on behalf of Mr. M. Chanda. Due to recent bereavement in the family, he could not appear today. So this matter may be fixed on 24th of November, your lordship. For respondent number 2, or for respondent number 1, consent has been taken. Your lordship. Is made on behalf of Mr. M. Chanda. Proxy for respondent. Oh, on 24th of November. Nice, lordship. And lordship, one more matter, item number 9, your lordship. This matter, although pleadings have been completed, but this has been listed in order. So this matter, I'm making a mention on behalf of Mr. A upon your lordship. Due to some, for the respondent number 4 and 5, your lordship. Petitioner, I have taken consent, your lordship. But, are you sure that they? Yes, your lordship. Because maybe they have filed. No, there's an order already, there's an order. Mr. A upon. For it may continue around 17th of this November. Lordship. 17th. AG is appearing in this case, your lordship. Item number 1. Your lordship, I need some time in this case to obtain instruction, your lordship. Last occasion, your lordship. Yes.
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 Yes,
Yes.
for the second time. On the last occasion, my lord, the senior government advocate was directed to take instruction.
Yes, your lordship. 2 weeks. Item number 3. Yes, doctor. Item number 5.
It's a conviction number 30 for life imprisonment. Yes. Lordship may appoint editor.
Item number 7.
Your Lordship. Here in this case, we have already received the paper book. So it may be fixed for admission. Somebody appealing? Yes, yes. No, no.
Done in council for the. Item number 8.
Lordship, the matter may be kindly possible for kindly. Council is on the way, stuck in traffic.
bidding some paper as well as well.
So, you were supposed to obtain instructions in the matter. Not for them.
If Madam is telling after
FBI.
yes.
Instructions. Not in this.
No, madam,
Opinions of someone,
we have
not for them. So, for the time,
part of the time, yeah, we'll take it.
so there's on top. Why it's there. For the time.
Lordship, Passover. He's on the way on.
Instructions are.
Item number 10. Item number 12.
But I am extremely sorry and apologize that I could not lay my hands on this. On the brief, kindly accommodate next week. Item 12.
Date of the.
Yes, it.
Then, for the,
For- Not, kindly- yes, kindly make it 10.
we say absent. So now it's okay, 12.
Yeah, yes, you're right.
Yes. On the prayer made by the. What's the matter?
You're right.
The next week. The next,
Stand up.
the next week. 10. Is it the next week? Okay. Present on the prayer made by. Matter. Then we have
I'm of late.
the presence of the.
Here might be to file our affidavit. So I think it's about time. 3 weeks time. I file affidavit. 20 and 21. For respondent, taking consent.
For submission of written of it.
Yes, I have to file. Yes, ma'am, I have to file affidavit. for state respondent. State respondent. State. No, madam, come in at four. They got it down that, they got it. 3 weeks, madam. One more item, madam, item 29, madam. Same order, madam. Here also we need to file affidavit. madam. I've taken consent, madam. Previous one, here.
Kind indulgence to item 18, Milord. There are some developments in this matter. And I have the instruction to seek some more time, 3 weeks, kindly list it after 3 weeks. Yes, there are some development on basis. I'm deeply grateful. 3 weeks.
Yeah, you're not sure. That's what I think to consent. Item number 8 and 9. This matter to be listed on 10th of November.
Maybe please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention two unlisted matter. Your lordship, on behalf of the Tapak. Your lordship, this matter may be fixed on day after tomorrow, that is 30 of this month. Your lordship, this is a compensation matter. Compensation amount is yet to be paid. It's very- Okay, in that case, you're making 31, your lordship. October, October 31. I need 2 weeks time to file on behalf of respondent number 5 and 6 cases.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30 and 31. Hearing is Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. We have created the matter of the listed after 2 weeks. We are appearing for the petitioner. Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Yes. Your Lordship, I also beg that we fixed on 10, 11. In this, I'm for the respondent, Your Lordship. But the county with that, yes, Your Lordship.
I like item number 5. I'm waiting for the respondent number 5. Yes, my lord, I have filed the counter affidavit in the month of May, but not reflected in the reports.
Let's see. You see the council.
No. I filed in the verse. Intake.
Lordship, I'm J. Jini.
Council for the petition experience.
DK Gold,
Honorary council for the
response
response
number 5.
number 5. Honorary council for the response number 5 supports that he has filed his counter affidavit within the month of
May.
May 2025. However, the same is not reflected in the office of the Therefore, we will speak to the verified. And yes. Next week. Said I already.
Lordship, in this, I'm the, I. And then Lordship, I, already in item number 39, Lordship, already state respondents, they have, taken adjournment, but, interim was to be continued. I put a petitioner,
29.
29.
Fast order. 29 interim order, fast order, continue to the next month.
Apply.
Item number 1.
My Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. Item number 11, Lordship. And put the respondent, Lordship.
So what I think about what, if when paper done to what,
Yes, Lordship.
what,
Yes. Item number 11, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 for 3 weeks, Lordship.
therefore,
Petitioner, Lordship.
can it
No, Lordship.
end the.
One for bring on behalf of leasing permanent, sir. Leasing permanent, sir. Sorry, Lordship, I'm put a respondent, Lordship. So, Lordship, my sincere apology, Lordship. Actually, this is in court number next court. My sincere apology, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 1. If I may please, Lordship. Lordship, this is a petition filed under section 24 of CPC. The petitioner seeks transfer of money suit number 5, 2025 from the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division, Changlang District, to the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division, Papumpara District, UP. The transfer is sought primarily on medical and convenience ground without causing any prejudice to the respondent's honor. Your Honor,
You have a reasonable ground or not.
Sir,
Miss,
D. River. Your Honor, since this is a transfer petition, it may be disposed of earlier.
so and so on. Who has paid for the transfer of money suit number 5 slash slash S and others versus state of Gateway and others from the court of the learning civil judge Changlang district, Changlang to the additional civil judge within brackets, senior and then counsel for the petitioner submits that any grounds for transfer of duties. To the
Case in for respondent number 5 and 6. We read for this time. First because this for any day.
it will be too late.
Right.
Well, is it copies of the transfer application, petition? Item number 2.
May I please, my lord? I am appealing through VC, my lord. My lord, in this case, the petitioner was suspended, my lord. He was placed under suspension subsequent to his arrest. The impugn order is at page 33. Page 33 is the impugn order, my lord. By this order, the petitioner was placed under suspension with effect from the date of his detention, that is 21/1/2024, and this order was passed on 24/6/2024. Only after my representation before the department requesting them to allow me to join my service. Thereafter, my lord, my suspension order was renewed 2 times, my lord.
Before you were suspended, you were did an application. Not understand.
My lord, I was suspended by this order 26 June 2024 at page 33.
Yeah, item के हाँ
After my detention, I was
Huh?
not immediately after my detention, my lord.
मेरा टाइम अभी क्यों दिया
Somebody have joined. My lord, after my arrest and subsequent detention, I was not suspended immediately. I was suspended only on 24/6/2024, that is page 33. And by this order, it is mentioned that my suspension will be with effect from 21/1/2024. And my lord, this is subsequent to my application dated 7/6/2024 at page 31. At page 31, I had moved an application, representation with a prayer to join, and there I have specifically mentioned, my lord. May I read page 31, my lord, my representation? May I read page 31, my lord, what was my representation? With due respect, I would like to state that subsequent to my arrest in SIC PS case number so-and-so, I was released on bail by Sessions Court UPA on 23rd April 2024. Thereafter, via my letter dated 25/4/2024, I had informed Your Honor about my release from jail and had also prayed for subsistence allowance. it is pertinent to mention that till now I have not yet received any letter of suspension, and as such, I believe that I have not been suspended from service.
You're not suspended.
I was not till then I was not suspended, my lord. But after this letter was
But you're behaving as if you're already suspended.
no, my lord. I have specifically stated there that it is pertinent to mention that till now I have not yet received my letter of suspension, and as such I believe that I have not been suspended from service. So I requested my lord to allow to join the office. This letter was this representation was submitted by me on 7/6/2024. Thereafter, my lord, immediately after 19 days, my lord, on 26 June 2024 at page 33, my lord, the type copy, they have suspended me, my lord.
So you were not being paid. You were not being paid.
No, I was
You were
not,
not receiving your salary.
no, my lord.
Is that why you wrote this letter? Because there was no suspension order. Even after you joined the service.
So, my lord,
But
subsequently,
you're behaving as if there's already a suspension order.
no, my lord, I was not allowed to join.
Allowance without-
Immediately after coming out from the jail, my lord, I tried, my lord, I filed representation for allowing me to join, but they did not allow me to join. And subsequently, my lord, they have suspended me. Then, my lord, the suspension order was renewed, my lord. First renewal is at page 36, my lord. Page 36. The type copy, my lord. Here, my lord, this is this suspension is extended up to 180 days. On 10 July 2024, the suspension has been extended for 180 days. Then, my lord, again, my lord, another extension at page 44, my lord. Another extension is at page 44. Again, I had this suspension 44 type copy. Another extension for 180 days, my lord, at page 44. Now, this extension have expired on 17/6/2025. After 17/6/2025, no reason order has been passed justifying my further suspension. This suspension order is not visited, which ought to have been visited on or before 17/6/2025. On and after 17/6/2025, since no reason order has been passed extending my suspension, as such, this suspension has now become illegal. So, my lord, I have prayed to set aside the original suspension order since there is no renewal. Now, my lord, they are not conducting the departmental proceedings as well, and they have only submitted a memorandum of charge, my lord. The articles has been framed, and my lord, very surprisingly, I was serving as a deputy director, secondary education, Changlang. Deputy Director, Secondary Education, Changlang. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 47. Why they are not able to proceed with the departmental proceeding? Kindly peruse page 47. Page 47. These are the articles. Now, my lord, kindly see Article 1 that the said Igodoe, while functioning as Director Elementary Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, during the period was found involved in illegal appointment made in the office of Deputy Director School Education, Changlang. Now, my lord, I have specifically replied to the department that whatever allegation you are bringing against me as a Director of Elementary Education are unfounded, because I was never a director of elementary education. I was a deputy director of secondary education at Changlang. Page 56 is my reply, my lord.
Okay, fine, fine. We're not going to just
Yes, my lord. I have paid only for notice, my lord.
say, heard Mr. So and so. What's it?
F. Khan.
Petitioner who has filed with petition on the Constitution. 2606, is it? 2024.
Yes, 2606, my lord. 2024.
On behalf of senior standing. Standing counsel. I'm on appearing on behalf of senior standing counsel D Tagum.
Standing council for what?
Education Department.
Respondent number, right? Respondent number. Student, what, just make respondent number what?
Third question. Respondent number 2. Respondent number 2, my lord.
One,
But, so, uh,
I'm grateful, my lord.
Item number 3. Lordship, here I'm appearing on behalf of senior standing counsel Tapat Tagum Education Department. Leading counsel is due to personal differences. He is out of station also.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, the present writ petition has been filed under section 2, under Article 226 of Constitution of India, directing appropriate, seeking appropriate direction to respondent number 2, which is a DTSC SEPA, Your Lordship, against the unlawful withholding by release order, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I have been serving as a PGT English teacher, Your Lordship, at Government Secondary School, Pakoti is coming, Your Lordship. And I have been transferred from Government Higher Secondary School, Pakoti to Government Higher Secondary School, Hija, Lower Subansuri District, Your Lordship. My transfer order is in page number 15, Your Lordship. May I kindly see the page number 15?
you were transferred, there's a transfer order and also a release order. So,
This release has been issued by the headmaster of the Government Secondary School, Your Lordship. But I have not been released by the Director of School Education, that is DDC SEPA, Your Lordship.
the teacher or what, that they want to. Go.
As per the order, Your Lordship, they should have released me. This order has been passed on 2nd June, Your Lordship. And I've told,
So, still,
Yeah.
they're not letting you go. So,
yes, Your Lordship.
school, why they not letting you go? Are you a very good teacher? or what?
Actually, school has already released me from my present school, Your Lordship. But the problem is that DDSC is not releasing me, which is respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
So.
Yes,
So let's see. What do we-
without,
Master issued this order, so you are released by the headmaster,
yes,
then you are not allowed to join a new place of.
DDSC, SEPA, Your Lordship. DDSC. In this connection, Your Lordship, I have submitted multiple representation to the DC and the DDSC SEPA also. But till date, they have not taken any action. The I can see the page number 52.
It's not clear. So in your petition, where will
The Deputy Director of School Education. Yes. But the Deputy Director of School Education is not relieving from this. In my presentation, kindly come to the page number 23, Your Lordship, my representation.
No, your representation, okay, but in your written petition. Para.
You have verbal. Lordship, I have also submitted presentation. You have to take action.
It's the verbal say from someone. All the other authorities are saying.
Your Lordship, without
You mentioned that verbal order, so and so, so something. What interpret. I'm not understanding the.
fix the matter.
Item number 4. Please proceed. Matter is regarding land compensation. Annexure 1, my lord, with C, page 37. This order was passed by the Deputy Commissioner, Upper Siang District, India. By this, the DLRSO, that is District Land Revenue and Settlement Officer, was directed to proceed with land acquisition process at Tuting Jido Road, which is NH 913 Frontier Highway. And this was to be done under the Right to Bear Compensation Act 2013. Now, my lord, my grievance in this writ petition is that after this was issued, without involving us, there was the survey was made, and they have simply, my lord, categorized our properties, say unilaterally, saying it is a compensation oriented structure, which they have mentioned as COS, meaning that the properties assessed on that on our properties, those are allegedly built for the purpose of obtaining a compensation or maybe a higher compensation. Now, annexes 6 onwards, Lordship will see I have annexed the list of the photographs as well as the photographs of the properties assessed as well as their remarks, Lordship. Page 66 onwards, Lordship, of different petitioners. Lordship may see page 66 is a photograph of a retaining wall, whereas in this, at page 67, Lordship will see in the second column, it has been mentioned COS and it has only been mentioned as barbed wire, B wire. It is not a barbed wire fencing, it is an RCC fencing, Lordship. And also it is quite old, Lordship. But still they have refused to pay compensation, saying that these are COS. It's been mentioned in the remark in the last column, COS. Lordship has found page 67. Likewise, Lordship, page 71 also, Lordship. This is a car wash. Belonging to the petitioner number 3. This also has not been paid, saying that this is a COS, compensation oriented structure. And also, Lordship, page 78. This is a Lordship, a retaining wall built for paddy field, page 78.
Here also it has not been paid. Lordship can see from a photograph itself. These are very old.
So you may take some. Not satisfied.
No, Lordship, for these structures, compensation were not paid. For some structures, for some properties, not structures, very little compensation was paid. The problem,
Not unhappy.
yes, in some cases, Lordship, since there are a series of petitions.
Uh,
Now, Lordship,
Petitioners, how many petitioners?
my Lord, 22.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. I'm showing this as an example, Lordship. If we go one by one, it will take a long time. But the crux of the issue is, in so far as those cases in which compensation was not was denied, saying that these are COS, these compensation oriented structures, in those cases, no public hearing was done. They have simply unilaterally surveyed the area. If any public hearing was done, then we would have been given a chance to refute whatever they are alleging. Also, Lordship, as per Section 26, Section 26 is relevant so far as those compensations were determined, which was lower than the market rate. This exercise under Section 26 was not.
Hearing with some.
Public hearing was under Section 21, Lordship. Yes, although notice was given, but we were not present.
26.
26 is for determining the market value of a property, Lordship. 1440 is, my Lord, the urgency clause, Lordship. In certain cases, when there is an urgency, yes, Section 40 is applied. Now, my Lord, my grievance is that the exercise which should have been taken under Section 26 was not taken up. That is why they have determined a compensation in a very low rate. Section 26.
21 and 26.
Yes, not complied. So there, yes, Lordship. So therefore, I'm praying that a reassessment may be done. And also that till such time, interim protection may be given, Lordship. Because once they start construction of the road, then everything will disappear.
Something is already constructed. So what?
No, Lordship.
Okay, this.
If the road is constructed, this will be, Lordship.
That
they
we
can.
have to see the next day. But-
Lordship, in that case, yes, for the interim order, a short date may be given.
You're the owners of the land.
Yes. Yes.
0.3. One, two, followed by of
Yeah. Additional compensation. Five.
Yes, yes.
5 and 6, Madam President. Five and 6.
Lordship on the interim there. Lordship, in that case, a short date may be given because the main party is them, Lordship. They're already appearing.
I'm sorry, man, we are not going to executive order. Executive will be done by respondent 5 and 6, madam. You are not.
Whatever it is,
Lordship, once they start the work, it may become a problem. It may become
someone says. That is going to be acquired. On the, manner and the quantum.
no, if the structures are destroyed, say, during the building, during the building of the road, since it has not been assessed properly, and my question is that it has not been assessed properly, then it won't be there anymore. Yes, yes. If it is destroyed before the assessment, then in that case, Lordship, a short date may be given. A fixed date, Lordship.
Just after,
Lordship, a fixed date may be given.
see, because you have to show that how they did. Now they are.
Yes, Lordship, that I'm aware of. Lordship, if it is after 2 weeks, Lordship, a fixed date may be given.
It's after 2 weeks or
11, Lordship.
11.
Yes. Obliged.
Item number 6.
Lordship. I filed this writ petition challenging the plan allotment awarded to the ITBP at Siang district. Dying. The allotment has been done without any land acquisition, where I have been residing since 1976.
So wait, so this contract is fine.
I don't want the commissioner, yes, madam, we have passed, madam.
Then
Affidavit filed and issued by madam.
it's complete.
It is. I thought the central go and say,
Yes,
Your Lordship, the intervention of the respondent from the central government is not required here
so.
because the land has never been acquired. Has never been acquired. And it has been allotted by the government of India, government of Arunachal, not by the. Yes. Lordship, interim chair can be done.
I'm sorry, but I said, sorry, madam. Should be 1 to 6.
1 to 6. Cannot copy, submit that as submit that. Counter affidavit, how responded number?
4.
Four, the other respondents, state respondents.
Item number 7.
Very much top of stress. Project and it also. Then the I guess I'll count it. That is, starting from straight forward and amplify the count.
Item number 10.
This better high. But the competition gap, still country. So, talk to the arbitrate. So kindly extrapolate this up to us, so that we can reply. Okay, bye.
Mr.
PK does.
Okay, that's learning company. Submits that. No state respondents have filed the application, however, copy of the regulated proposal.
Not 20. Yes, yes. On 25th.
Item number 12.
Number 12, 16. Otherwise, biddings are complete in all these cases. So, my lord,
So is it fixed? Oh,
the lordship can sit for hearing or admission hearing as a lordship bids.
what is the idea about?
Lord, IA has been filed for vacation of an interim order. Virtually, my lord, taking the IA and hearing the whole matter is same thing. It's a dispute, it's a seniority dispute between promoters and direct group.
So instead of decide, who will file the IA? You have filed the IA?
No. Oh, sorry, yes, we have filed the IA. There is already an order. IA, there is an order.
So instead of the IA, we will take up the main case. So writ petition, the main writ petition, we have all the IAs. We can mention that the IAs will be considered along with the
Main writ petition.
So. What's an order?
I'm very close to number 5. And the interim order was subsequently vacated at our instance.
Yes. But not, no, in 284, my friend Mr. DK Panging is the petitioner. In the other two petitions, we are the petitioner. 13 and 15, we are the petitioner. I think 14 and 295.
Well, as of today, there
Yes.
are 7 RTA where we have been informed by the department. And 7 vacancies are there. So far as petitions are concerned, they are only 3 in number.
Actually, write an order in this based on my learned friend's prayer. Same amount of effort will have to be made. Therefore, it is better below whole matter is taken. Either today or any other day.
I will listen some other.
What we are saying is, my lord, my learned friend appearing for the petition is making a prayer that their serenity should be given from 2009. I don't know what, so far as the number 5 are concerned, even if this prayer of the petitioner is allowed, it will not be affected because, my lord, our next function is moved to the post of superintending engineer. And by the time, my lord, they retire, I will not be able to, I will not be eligible for my function the next. So even if they are given function from 2009, we are not affected. And we are not challenged.
No, that is on merits of the case. Yes. Let's,
Yes, there's another one also. Right. So we'll pass a common order for all of them.
yes, yes.
Madam, may I just make one endeavor to convince your lordship that by the last order passed in this case, where you may kindly take up this IA 218.
What does it say?
218 has been filed subsequently when initially there was an interim order. And then interim order was vacated by an order passed on 18/9/2024. Lord, if your lordship takes up this 218 IA minor application. Well, lordship, kindly have a look at where we did the IA. Page 19. To restrain the respondent authorities from holding DPC in terms of order dated 3rd August 2025. Issued by paper number so dated 5th June 25 and or any other DPC. That was getting the prayer in the IA. Present IA. Lordship may kindly turn. This same prayer was made in the writ petition.
So the writ
But
petition and the
what I'm saying, in the writ petition, when this same prayer was made, your lordship was pleased to pass an order, which your lordship will find at page 27. Just a minute, page 27. Yes.
Previously. Yes.
So that was an order passed on 31/7/2020. Next page, lordship will kindly see the operative part, page 20, last paragraph. In view of the above submission, this court finds it fit directly in state respondents may not conduct a DPC with respect to the post from the post of assistant engineer
to executive engineer based on the impute scenario dated 29 July 2022 till the next return date. So basically, they are telling the scenario list, final scenario list, where they have been shown junior class. The senior,
Till the next, so
Yeah.
now, so the
That-
matter is
that-
still kept pending.
madam, that was the first order. This order was vacated at our instance.
So at the end of the day, what my learned friend is trying to submit is to hear the matter. Because we also have our perspective.
But today, since the matter can be taken up for final hearing, I am just trying to convince your lordship and satisfy your lordship that if the interim order passed in the last occasion can be modified to a certain extent, my lord, there, lordship will find the last order, my lord.
No application.
My lord, that is the
No,
order.
no, we leave it as it is,
Yes.
stands located, how it will provide any proportion, dumping of it study. Any promotion, made only. So DPC has this, have the same
Yes,
promotion already made,
GBC has been held. But, my lord,
But they are not
Final
supposed to
order.
finalize.
subject to the further order.
So my lord, if this order is vacated, then what survives in the petition?
So we'll see. So now DPC has sat, but the result is withheld.
no, my lord. Pursuant to this order, lordship passed, lordship will sign page 27 is the order passed. Initially. This order was vacated by an order dated 18/9/2024,
Ah.
page 31. Lordship will kindly see the last paragraph, page 38, para 19. Para 19.
My lord, this aspect of the matter was gone into and yet this order was passed.
Yes,
Therefore, finally the matter has to be taken a call.
That order was passed this
So
day.
basically,
I'm saying something else. Pursuant to this order of 18/9/2024 by Honorable Justice Surana, the DPC was held out of the 5 persons whom I
based
represent.
on that seniority list.
Yes.
Ah.
Out of the 4 persons I am representing, my lord, 2 have been already promoted pursuant to this order by holding DPC.
But subject to the outcome.
Yes, subject to the outcome. Now, for the remaining 2, my lord, another DPC has been convened. At that stage, they filed an application saying that it should be done. Then, my lord, this honorable court has passed an order. My lord, look at page 30 of this order. Page 38, para 19. Accordingly, in the light of the discussion above, the court is of the considered opinion that stay order granted by order dated 31/7/2024, directing the state respondents not to conduct DPC with respect to the promotion from the post of estate engineer to the next higher post of executive engineer, based on scenario dated 29/7/2022, is required to be vacated as the position of the petitioners being direct recruits of the year 2009 ought not to be allowed to stagnate without any further DPC, as it is seen from the final prediction is that, except for the applicants who are the direct recruits of 2009, my lord, all other promoters of DPC dated 24/7/2012 and all the direct recruits appointed in the 2006 are holding the higher post of executive engineer on officiating basis. Therefore, this is a case where the stay is likely to cause hardship to the applicants. So in our application matter, it was held that it was hardship. Thereafter, the person to this order, my lord, page 40, Lord, you kindly say DPC was held. Page 40, the DPC recommendation. Pursuant to this order. Now, 16 persons were considered. Page 40, my lord.
Yes.
Out of this, the persons at serial number 15 and 16, 2 applicants, this order was passed at the instance of 4 applicants, my lord. Number 5. Now, pursuant to this order, DPC was held. These 2 persons were promoted. For the remaining 2, my lord, DPC has been held on 10th of September, and that DPC result has been, my lord, directed not to be declared. What I am saying, my lord, the remaining 2 persons, if they are recommended, let them be promoted, because in any case, my lord, subject to outcome again, I am saying it, because DPC is already held.
That this matter be considered in the next stage, because if the writ petitions can be disposed of
Right.
with the thorough hearing the next day, maybe on a Monday, when you proceed on Monday.
What I am saying,
Before we get-
my learned is concerned with this prayer and his.
My lord, let me make one question very clear. My learned friend is picking some thread somewhere and making his argument. when I make my argument, then everything will be clear. The fact of the matter is, my lord, we are promotees and they are direct reports of the same year. Therefore, we are always winning.
So
Why he is not making that argument?
Anyways,
If the allotment is year of the same year, then it is promotee who is always ranked senior. Disregarding our seniority, you will earn a promotion and will concede to that.
anyway, so
Why not-
we
why not-
will
why not do this?
dispose of the
Well,
writ
I
petition.
let me respond to this, my lord. They were not considered in the 2012 DPC. That DPC they have not changed.
Anyway, that is on the merits of the case. You
Yeah.
will have to look thoroughly.
Why not?
Okay,
Why not
So,
one?
instead of doing the IAS
Fine.
bits and pieces,
Fine.
if the writ petitions can be disposed of, then automatically all your pending IAS also will be disposed of. Isn't it? So we'll fix the date.
And only one thing is
Things are
happening.
complete.
Dear Lord, I like it. Well, one thing is happening, pursuant to the last order passed by Honorable Justice Surana, which was passed at the itself of 4 persons, my lord, who have got promotion and the remaining 2 are not getting because of the last order.
So most unfortunate, but let the writ petitions be disposed of. Isn't it? So now
Madam,
it's been
Madam,
listed.
Madam, may I just make a last prayer, man. So far as the petition is concerned, for them, 3 posts may be kept reserved to give them seniority from 2009. I'm
The writ petitions, I think, deserve a thorough hearing.
Yes.
So we will admit the writ petitions and listen for hearing. Okay? Because now it has come under the admission listing column itself.
Admission hearing stage.
Okay, admission, you don't want the full hearing?
Admission hearing stage, yes.
Okay,
okay.
okay, heard, in Chowdhury, Government Civil Council. For the petitioners and WPC number, I'm looking at the last. one,
Yes,
so I think it's, 14 slash 2022 and number 295 slash 2022. And Mr.
Fine.
Thompson, for respondents in WPC 295
Fine.
slash 2022. Also, then also heard Mr. D. Pandey, another council, for the petitioners in respondent number. Council for the private petitioners,
Respond.
respondents, yes, for the private respondents. Fine. You are for the. So before the response, and Mr. Sunsa Learning Council for, the petitioners, WPC number 459 of, 2022. On hearing the submissions made by the learning councils, this court finds that all the connected ideas arising out of the writ petitions can be decided along with the state. We of the above, list the matter for admission of the writ petition on
24/11.
on 24/11/2022.
And the entry models will continue till then. Yes.
As submitted by councils. Matter.
Item number 16.
Yes.
Think so. Some more time. Sure.
So. What? That is council. That's good. That is, some-
Item number 11.
Proper format. But in the counter, maybe they will say that the article is not.
Take case, Your Lordship, by disposing by applying on those grounds, those grounds, whether I am eligible or
So keeping the repetition can be. Heard, Mister? Yeah, but yeah, learned council for. Yeah. Also, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned, the understanding council.
here, whether I think whether this is the joint director. Who is not a competent authority. Maybe this application forwarded to director. It's not forwarded. So in that case, let him file a press representation to the joint competent authority director. And then that representation will be disposed of. So
Yeah.
yeah, but very same. They are one of them. And it-
Working as a peon. Of the joint director. And right on 28th Bureau. Public service. Proper match along with all the on even 9, 12. Proper match. That is However,
Weeks. 2 months. In fact, 2 or 20 joint director and director. So, in the one of these.
but already directed, already forwarding to the director. So in a period of 4 weeks.
1
4 weeks is 1 month. From the date of receiving a certified true copy of this.
Item number 17.
So this matter to be fixed on 30th of March.
Item number 22 to 24. $25.
Price कुछ भी नहीं है 24 May it pleases your lordship, May it pleases your lordship. Am I audible, lordship? May it pleases your lordship?
To file your affidavit in reply, have you filed?
No,
You filed
lordship.
your
So I
affidavit in
seek,
reply.
no,
What the
lordship,
time?
I seek some accommodation, lordship, of 2 weeks, lordship, to file affidavit in reply, lordship.
Yes. Miss H.
And
Bush, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has prayed for 2 weeks' time to file her affidavit in reply. You have the book list after 2 weeks.
lordship,
Yes,
I
to
humbly
start.
pray for a fixed date, lordship, since I am an outstation counsel. So I
So
request for.
the date when you want it. After 2 weeks or
Have filed first, but at the then after.
Yes.
let's see.
Yes,
What do you take? You just file your affidavit in reply, and then after you file that, then we'll have a fixed date to consider. Okay, admission hearing.
lordship, can it be on 18th?
No, list
18th of
after 2
November?
weeks. Listen, you list your affidavit in reply after 2 weeks. Once the affidavit in
before?
reply is on record. Okay, so no, file a affidavit in reply first, so you don't.
Lordship, I have an
mistake doesn't
interim
make it.
in item. Lordship,
Okay,
I have an
meanwhile,
interim.
order passed earlier in WPC, which one?
Lordship, 22, 23, and 24, Lordship. Interim orders are there. 22, 23, 24.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes, after 2 weeks.
Item number
Deeply
26 to 28.
In this case, I've gone through the office note. Service has been completed in respect of respondent 11 and system. The rest are still able.
And you have to wait for some time.
Right.
Mr. James Sterling, Learning Counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Social Learning Government Application for the state respondents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It is seen that return of daily card from respondents number
11 and system.
11 and 16 is still awaited. We have the book list after 3 weeks.
Same order.
What?
In all.
Normal, yes.